Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the Tempest Tarot deck by Maisy Bristol. It was another, highly requested one. So it's a nautical deck to explore the mysteries and secrets of the oceanic realm. It's a funny word to say that, isn't it? As you venture out beyond the shoals to those deep places that challenge you to seek the treasures of inner truth, you will find your perspective shifting. So we've got mythic sea creatures, jaunty pirates, and enchanting sea maidens to help us navigate the 78 cards. And it's a US Games deck. It comes in this little box with a booklet inside. It's the standard little white book, where you've basically got the number of the card, the upright, reversed, and the imagery. And that's really nice because actually then you can really get into the depths of the cards because of the image. Okay, let's have a little look at the deck. So this is the back. This is a tendrils. I'm struggling with my words today. It's the heat. Octopus. That's what I think I'm trying to say. Lovely, lovely holding deck. It's very, very, very nice to hold through the hand. Good size, standard size tarot deck. Easy to shuffle. Let's take a look. Now, it's quite muted. I've only had a very brief look. I'm going to make sure there's no light on it because I've had to put the light on the overhead, and it can sometimes, they're not glossy as such, but there's a slight sheen, and I don't want you to be blinded by it. Okay, so you've got the Fool. He's going on an adventure. The Magician. So we have no characters, but we've got the essence of the cards still. The Compass to Magic. The High Priestess. There she is. So this is a High Priestess on the box. She's beautiful. And there she is, the Underwater Queen, the Empress. Oh, these are nice. And we have a pirate, the Emperor. This is brilliant as well because the Hierophant is a seeker essentially, isn't it? What about the knowledge? And all of this knowledge within these maps of all these places and treasures. The Lovers. Going in different directions, and it's the willpower that allows you to take charge, and strength and anchor. So there aren't as many characters, but it does in the Hermit, he crawls within when he needs. It's really good. The Wheel of Fortune. And we've got the scales in the centre there. So this is Trident's Fork, isn't it? The Trident. So this is the card that's all about seeing things from a different perspective, because it's usually the guy's hung upside down. So you've got different rays of light. Maybe it's helping you discover hidden treasures, the strength within, all those sorts of things. So we'll have, you can have a look at all the, I'm just going to have a look at that actually, see what it says about the Hermit, because that's a different portrayal. Not the Hermit. Hanged Man, Maria. Hanged Man. Right. Right, so the Hanged Man is sometimes hard to grasp, but it is considered to be the card that encourages us to go a little deeper. Okay, to think a bit more about what we're doing and why. Ask us, am I seeing everything clearly? Because that's why they often say you need to see things from a different perspective. This card is also associated with the planet Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea. In this sea-themed deck, Neptune's trident, I was right, stumbled over it a bit, is facing down, when in normal circumstances it is facing up. This alone sends the message of the Hanged Man. It makes you think, makes you question. The moment we start questioning, change is upon us. So I'm liking these, aren't you? And then Death. Balance, getting the balance right. Very unexpected. Oh my goodness, these are just amazing. They're so relevant. You can get lost in the picture. The illustrations. Were they illustrated by her as well? I'll have a little look in the book in a minute because I... Judgment. Oh my goodness me, you're walking the plank. And the world. Okay, so now we're into the suits of the wands, into the different suits. So let's see what they've done with the wands, or what she's done with the wands. Okay, so they are illustrated images, no characters. This is the merchant's card. You know, he's normally stood there on the shore waiting for his ship to come in. So it's which way do you go, isn't it? Which direction? The Four of Wands. I hope you can see them because sometimes they're... If you want me to speed up, you can adjust the speed of the video. Remember, oh look, that's really good. This is when we have progress, when the knight's there. She's very, very, very sweet looking, which is the wands and the king. So then we're on to the cups. So our emotions. Oh, this is very much the cheers, the family getting together. Oh, you see, this is nostalgia. So I guess it is, isn't it? Because you've got two kids play fighting with the swords on the shore here, pretending to be pirates. So it takes you back in time. This is confusion. I don't know which one to choose. Leaving it all behind. Getting rid of your trash, moving on. Very, very, very clever, I have to say. Happy ever after. Okay, to the swords. Most challenging suit because it's overcoming our minds and our thoughts. So now you've got clarity. Make a decision. This is normally the heart, you know, the pierced heart. So this is about letting go, moving forward. And you can see that the three are crossed to try and represent the heart. And you've got the bleeding heart. So yeah, it's very relevant. And then the Four of Swords. These will wear well as well because the cardstock's really good. Solid. Oh, solid's the wrong word. As I said, I'm struggling with my words tonight. She's very, look at this. So she's got her glasses on because she's intellectual, you see. So's he. How cute is that? Okay, so then we have Pentacles, the final suit. Our money. This is a card of generosity. I don't know why I'm telling you that. I'm sure you know all of these. I don't know. I'm just talking. Wow. Very impressed. Okay, so these, and it's nice to see cards that are also, that have a theme, that are still, there's the line drawing, isn't there? So let's see, that's the artist. So Maisy Bristol is the founder of Tarot by Maisy and is a professional tarot reader, you can tell, and astrologer who guides individuals towards clarity and self-development. She specialises in offering one-to-one readings that provide her audience with the healing tools they need for deeper understanding of their mental health, relationships and life choices. She's developed a comprehensive online tarot course that offers guidance for interpreting tarot cards, creating spreads and tapping into intuition. Her work has been featured in She's based in Montana, USA, with her chickens, horse and dog. And she's got a little spread there. The Celtic, treasure trap. So you've got some card spreads at the end, and then all of these. Really lovely. Has she done a little bit at the beginning that tells you why she's done it? Yeah. I've always found the ocean to be a mystical place. Okay, so I'm very impressed with that. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. And that's the Tempest Tarot by Maisy Bristol. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.